Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs to the test, specifically for Brazzaville, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your internet safety and freedom there. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Brazzaville users? They've got the essentials down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your data stays safe from local snoopers and intrusive networks. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never accidentally expose your real location while browsing in Brazzaville. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your online activity or where you connect. But the areas where they differ, that's what really matters for Brazzaville. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Brazzaville because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your info is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another cool feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites you might find in Brazzaville's internet landscape, protecting you from scams and trackers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a neat tool called Meshnet, letting you connect with friends securely for remote access or private browsing. The one small downside? A 10-device limit at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your laptop, phone, and tablet all at once while in Brazzaville. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Brazzaville user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable and faster connection for you. And for anyone in Brazzaville dealing with slow speeds or throttling, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for a performance boost. This can help route your traffic more efficiently. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed gain. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Brazzaville? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother browsing and streaming with less buffering. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping and speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found its performance varies depending on the server you choose. So, which VPN should you choose for Brazzaville? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast, secure access is your top priority, and you want the best all-around VPN with the most features for your internet freedom. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices or a household that needs multiple connections within Brazzaville. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're budget conscious or focused on privacy with proven transparency. Its open source apps and verified no-logs policies stand out. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running in Brazzaville. See you soon.